Hey guys, last time in Nev's garage we fitted these clear front indicators on this MY99 WRX. Well, this time we're going to be fitting clear corner park lamps. They're going to look rad, it's going to be easy, let's get into it. Alright, so first we've obviously got to remove the old ones. So it's really just this one screw on top. And then out they come. You've got to be a little bit creative with getting the tab out from underneath the guard here, like that. Okay, so he's out. Other side. And he's out. And in with the new one. So first we'll fit the bulb. Like that. And then in goes the lens. Like that, and then put the screw in. Cool. Now the other side, and obviously the same for this side. Alright, so there it is, we're going to both fit it now. Let's see how she looks. Hi. They really match the headlights now. Hi. Yeah, cool. And they really complement those clear front indicators too, eh? Yep, cool. Alright dudes, well that's it. We've got our nice new clear park lights in now, and they look filth. Now I reckon next time we might go further around the corner of the car. Spoiler alert, we're going to do the side indicators. They're going to be sick. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to catch yourself up on that action next time. Until then, thanks for watching this episode. Thank you for liking and sharing. We'll see you next time on Nev's Garage. Ta-da!